Hello everyone, I'm here with my helper,
Zachary.
And we're going to make one of your favourite things.
Pancakes!
Pancakes, a great way to start the day, and one of the reasons I love it is because I know there's extra nutrients going into that pancake to make you and me super strong. So some muscles, so let's make this pancake. Alright, do you want to take the lid off the Vitamix?
Okay.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put one banana into, can you put it in? Break it up into pieces and put that in.
I can break it up.
That's it, quick.
Lots of pieces.
Yeah, you put that in. Okay, whilst he's putting the banana in, I have got 2 scoops, 1 serving of all you need. I
don't like these bits.
That's fine.
Don't use these in your pancake. It will make it really
quick. We've got 1 cup of gluten-free flour. In it goes. We've got 1 cup of coconut milk. I know, it doesn't matter, we've got to get a move on because people want to see this being made. Quick. All right, now we're going to give it a whiz. That's it, put it all in. Quick, put it in. That's it. All right, now lid on. Dun dun dun. Okay, now let's turn it on. We're going to give it a whiz. Turn it on. Okay, can you turn it up a bit? So we're going to give it a whiz, not too much. No, this one. Turn it up. That's it, we want it nice and smooth.
Yeah, and bananas in it, so it's really, really good feeling. It'll go down to your belly and it'll give you a tummy ache.
Okay, so next thing we're going to do is when we're going to move over to the stove, we're going to turn this on. We have our pan here and we have some coconut oil. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon, small teaspoon of coconut oil in the pan. So the oil is hot and ready now. It's melted. We're just going to give it a little whiz round the pan, like so. This is going to make approximately 4 pancakes. Okay, watch out, mister.
Oh,
we're going to pour.
Really hot, so Mommy's going to do this bit. And it's really golden-y.
Oh, that looks lovely, doesn't it? On it goes. Watch out. Let's put this back up here.
Yeah, lovely and golden.
Okay, so we're just going to wait for this to cook until we start to see bubbles throughout, and then we're going to give it a flip.
Yeah, and then it will be so good that you can't even imagine.
You love pancakes, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're the best ever.
So we're making vegan gluten-free pancakes, so there's no eggs, no dairy, but we don't need it. We've got the all you need in there, which has got a super range of nutrients going in there. It's got the vitamin D, it's got vitamin C, it's got medicinal mushrooms, it's got a whole range of amazingness. I'm using Dove's organic gluten-free flour, and that's a great alternative to normal flour. I'm gluten-free, so I like to have that option. All right, this looks like it's ready. So we're just gonna...
Dairy free.
Yeah,
Let's go down dairy because
okay,
dairy
hang on. We're gonna flip. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yay, we did it. I'm not good at tossing it. I'm not gonna try that one. It might end up on the ceiling. But this is looking lovely, isn't it? Look, your lovely pancake. Nice and fluffy. Yum. So we have 2 beautiful pancakes here. We have a savoury one which has vegan cream cheese, some chilies, cucumbers and grated carrots. Or we have the sweet one with chocolate spread and strawberries. I'm going to enjoy now.